Position here, there, watch me.
Director of Communications and Spokesperson.
Okay, the other man, no. Director of Communication. And
yes.
Spokesperson for the party.
Yes.
Wow, United Party. All right. Solo, Mami Misao, movement for change, you know. Then more freeway ni more United Party no quickly.
The crowd will say Ola Lantemante or contest election 2024 no, as an independent candidate or content group. Now content group so
Nhyira fan.
Say it could be better wechi. Now ma would do you know akototi. I know enemy far some movement, you know, a buy. Movement not the political party. There it could be as a political group here. No mufi say almost Owusu and Chematechi. No Owusu and Chematechi manako as independent candidate in 2024. Let's say time I movement and after time I will free NPP in September no. Not to get a political party license between September of 2023 and December 7th, no. Na be yet doing. Okaso okopus a by the time I win a provisional license and a substantive license, no. Now, and the electoral commission, I was starting aggregate candidates for presidential elections. And you can say the easy route and also the shortest route, you know, and there's also the course independent candidates. I don't think the man course. It's right from September of 2023, no. Yeah, the near about that is a better political party. Then when I'm ready to change that, yeah, man. If you're election, you do make the answer, you better encounter some any electoral commission. And then I mean, the 3rd of October 2025, electoral commission for the encounter for all my alliances. If you want to be Van Ghana for, you have pound to ma, and then we are United Party, Ababidra, Amen Kenyan, it's your Ghana for the year.
Adia Bakwa, meet yet, no, or joining movement for change from NPP for our joining movement for change. No, don't want to just say we're there a movement. It will be great to me describe on a horse or elephant butterfly, as you know the Alan Echi. And then more no political party, United Party. Munyi say ebe affected for membership. And more shall who say it will bring a different fortune.
If it in right, you will be seeing an pay, and the country on the part of the war. Our party in one, the M class me. As I say, time and a movement, you know. You part of one that sector, no move is a political party. And you part of one that a contesting on the ticket of the movement as parliamentary candidates in across the country, no. No became. But when it is said, who contest as an independent candidate, would mean ya
parliamentary candidate.
The only avenue who bet me among of what's contesting as parliamentary candidates and it's all by a political party. Kiweno a bokwaya to na agogwa in ya 2028 in Kenya Bisukuma.
Wow. They say more plans saying across the country because as a political party there are so many demands more offices across the country, constituencies, any other day. Plan not to say.
Every now goes to December, no, we be your offices in all the constituencies in this country. We be your police station, you're from cell leaders. We be your cell leaders. We be your constituency executives. We be your in fact, the original interim executives card here, Asante with the original interim executives all the 16 regions, the original interim executives but the police station or the cell leaders, you know, across the 42,000 or so police stations, you know, we be your constituency executives. Now in 2028, you know, what's up with your parliamentary candidates? At the end of the day, about this show, you have your offices across the 276 constituencies. You have the executives now in place, and then we begin to explain our policies to the masses at the base. A form one in here, and yes, sir.
Right. So far, Ocean Movement for Change as a movement, membership no, so far estimatedly, agent saying.
She said, "I can United Party once more."
May can't be compare your improvement from the United Party. Nunti movement is here as we speak. You know, more membership and the movement in the saying.
Huge, so huge. But your party are incredible to the roof.
Enre Yano.
They said, "Yeah, I want to say, a sentimentum, but you didn't go more a sentimentum." And you put to do a fresh or more again, or was no official, more driver official, more back also work. The mamma, more vampire officers in a education.
Wow.
Nipa Urbano. The brother Kai Warm or UP days from Oba. So say a UP plus. Ya for papa na le UP gathering. Ana ya share them so. Ya tibia home ana ye hu kwaya na fa so sia no or how home ana the account when you UP plus. And the response rate, you know, massive.
I see. Wow. Solo, you better see no pay. Because we are near the training and the United Party from Movement for Change to United Party. Solomon Owusu, Director of Communication for the party, and they were in Semo to Janti, Alan Kwajucha Martin, and a UP party, no United Party, and one more form. Nana,
before done, breaking news.